Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. It's September 28th, and it's been a while. But it's time for another video. Due to the on and off rain, and took some time off of vacation. Got a little out of the rhythm of working on the boat. So it's been going slow, but we've been doing something. Here's a little bit of the progress we've made. So here's what we've been up to. We finished filling in. Sorry about the lighting, it's very bright outside with the sun. Finished back filling the stringers, so our stringers are now 100% filled with foam, and we got 2 knees installed. So yeah, I've also been up to some other adventures during the downtime, and look what I got. I got bees, baby. Not one, but 2 colonies. So yeah, I got bees. I filmed my little adventures or misadventures. How I acquired them was not how I was expecting to get them, but I got them. So I was thinking I'd just create a separate playlist just for the bees, and I'm undecided on whether I could interject it in Blackbeard Boatworks or whether I should start a different channel. There probably won't be that much bee content to sustain a separate channel, I'm thinking. So anyway, I don't know if you guys could help me decide. If you mind whether you see bees in the middle of the boatworks with the Bertram. So yeah, let's get into it. Hope you enjoy the video. God bless. Subscribe, leave a like and a comment. It really helps us out to grow our channel. Thanks. Okay, so I'm here digging away at this cardboard and plastic bag that we left in the stringer from the last time we poured foam. And I'm pulling and pulling, see, it got some pieces out, and all of a sudden, look at what I see in there. Can you see it? That's a hermit crab. I can try to get him out. Okay, there he is. Let's see if he keeps coming. Yeah, he went out of there. Wow. How on earth did he even get inside of this boat? Wow. Now that is interesting to say the very least. Okay, today I'm gonna be pouring the rest of this foam out. I need one of these buckets for screws in my van, because what I'm currently using is full and I need more space. So I'm gonna get this mix and pour into this stringer that I'm sitting on. We'll see how far we get. We may or may not be able to do it all, but I guess we'll find out. So let's get started. So right here I've got the back of the stringer just blocked up with some boards. It's not very well sealed, but I don't think we're gonna get that far on this first pour. We'll see how it goes on the second and go from there. If I need to make it a better seal so we don't have any mess, then I'll do that. But just I'm gonna put something there just in case for now. Alright, let's start pouring and mixing. Okay, bottom mix and pour the last of the foam. Definitely gonna have to buy more because this is only getting us halfway through this first stringer, so gonna definitely need more, a good bit more. Really surprising how much volume is inside of these stringers. There's a lot of volume within the stringers.
This is what we're working with for the knees. See that side? Just below flush with the stringer on this side. Same thing over here, actually exactly flush with the stringer. And this is just gonna help laying the glass that much easier and simple. Same thing over here, just below flush. Just below flush here. So gotta get those small pieces bonded to the stringers. Then we can do this. Straighten on the top here and get everything ready to go in.
Connie, what you doing?
Working on the knees.
Let's see what you did so far.
This is the finished shape. Just glassing. What do you call it? What do you call it? The drain?
Drain hole? Drain
glass
hole?
the top side of the drain hole.
Look like bubbles.
Yeah, off the sides. I just gonna grind them off.
You can't get them out?
No.
Alright.
Yeah, they ain't laying flat, so once it's set up, that'll get grinded off, and then this could go in the boot.
So that side, that's what? Starboard or port?
Left.
Port side?
If port side is left.
Left?
Left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Starboard is right, I think. I don't know.
I couldn't tell you.
I got up it backwards too.
Not very pretty, neither of them, but once I grind all that bubbly stuff off the edges, this will be good to go. Alright, so today is the day that we put these knees in. We've been working on these for a while now. They took a long time to make because the design kept evolving and we kept adding to it. But they're ready now to go in, so we're prepping, and that's what we about to do. Okay, here we are, both knees in. Just got this one in. They look pretty good. The Kusa that's at the stringer level on both sides is just shy of the stringer, just a slightly smaller than the stringer, so that we could bevel it off and then build it back out. And this time, no waste. Look at all that we wasted yesterday. We mixed up way too much yesterday and didn't have enough time to get it all on, but I had a little extra from this one that I did this little fillet on. It ain't too pretty up in the corner there, but all of this needs to be sanded. But yeah, finally back to making progress. Looks good, looks strong. Looks very good and very strong. This transom will be a unit.